back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today's video is clean and organized with me, and I am going to be unboxing a container from Life-with. So I've done a collaboration with this company before and I'm going to be dropping the link. You can check that out. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, like the video, share, and do leave me a beautiful comment. Remember, subscription is free. And to my returning subscribers, you guys rock, you know now. And this channel is all about vlog, lifestyle, and food. Let's start unboxing our container from Life-with. So this is airtight food container from Life-with. It has 13 pack in it, and this pack has got different liters. So the liters, one is bigger, the other is smaller, the other is bigger. Enough liter for you to pack or put in either your dry or wet ingredient. This food container also comes with a universal design, one size fits all, and it's airtight latches, keeps everything inside the food container fresh and dry. And one good thing about this container, it comes with a label as well as a marker, and the label makes it easy for identification. And one good thing about this food container, it is microwave safe and also dishwasher safe. It is long lasting and easy to store away when not in use. That's one good thing I like about this food container. This is a must-have food container from Life-with in your kitchen. Check out my description for more info. Now let's move over to doing a demo of how I stored my dry and wet ingredients using this Life-with airtight food container, and also show you how I label my food for easy identification. It has 13 packs in all. And this 13 pack airtight food container from Life-with comes with different capacity and is a must-have at home for storage. I'll also be dropping further information on this airtight food container from Life-with, so I would advise that you check it out. I'll be dropping the link as well, so click on the link and it will take you straight to Amazon, the website where you can get your airtight food container and keep your pantry and kitchen neat. Once I'm done unboxing and organizing, it is time to clean my kitchen. This point, I've come to the end of today's video, and if you stayed up to this point, thank you. And do not forget to like the video, share the video, and do leave me a beautiful comment. More importantly, turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime. And also remember to check my description section for this airtight food container from Life-with. It is an amazing container that you can use to store both your dry and fresh food. I'll be dropping the link in the description section, so check it out. At this point, I'll say thank you, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.